Here we have a finite set A and relation is defined y is divisible by x. It satisfies reflexive check because when we replace y with x, it is true that x is divisible by x. Let us go for symmetric check now. Let y by x equal to a because x perfectly divides y. And if we replace x with y and y with x, we get 1 by a, which is not an integer, and hence y doesn't divide x perfectly. Thus, if x divides y does not divide x unless and until y is equal to x. So, that's the only case wherein it is possible, but not for other numbers in set A. And hence R is not symmetric. To make things more clearer, let us consider the set or subset 1, 2. Here 1 divides 2, but 2 cannot divide 1. Now let us go for transitive relation. If xy and yz belonging to R is true, then we need to check whether xz also belongs to R. Since x divides y and y divides z, then x definitely divides z. How? In set A, let us have the subsets 1, 3, 3, 6 and 1, 6. Here 1 divides 3 and in this case 3 divides 6, then definitely 1 divides 6 as well. Thus R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. We can use the second method to do this, by defining the subsets. So here we have A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and relation is given y is divisible by x. So we can have several subsets with 1. I can write 1, 2, of course 1, 1 is also possible, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Because in all these cases, 1 divides the second number. Considering 2, 2 can divide 4, 2 can divide 6. Considering 3, 3 can divide 3, of course we missed 2, 2 here, 3, 3 is possible and 3, 6 is possible. And 4, 4 is possible because 4 divides 4. 5, 5 is also possible and 6, 6 is possible. If you notice, I have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Thus it is definitely reflexive. Whether it is symmetric, I have 1, 2, but I do not find 2, 1 here. Similarly, I find 1, 3, but there is no 3, 1 here. So it is not symmetric. Whether we have transitive, consider 1, 4 here. So this is x, this is y, and I have 4, 4. This is y and this is z. So 1, 4 and 4, 4. If I have 1, 4 and 4, 4, I should form or I should have another subset with the first element of this and second element of this 1, 4, which is very much here. So this is transitive as well.